Okay, how to make a Volvo cool instantly, especially during hot summer sun. Most Volvos will do this, most new ones. This is a P8 XC40 Recharge, which is a fully electric dual motor, 400 horsepower, 486 pound-feet of torque, and it's amazing. I love this car. This is the key fob right here, and in the middle of the key fob is the unlock. On the left is tailgate, the right is lock. So I'm going to hold unlock, and it should make some magic happen here. So I'm holding unlock, it rolls down the windows, and it's in the process of opening the sunroof as we speak as well. But there's one thing. There's air coming out of the vents. Can you hear it? So that is how to make your Volvo cool instantly when it's hot out. The vents will blow out hot air in the car when you roll down the windows with the keys. Now when you do the reverse, so that's the one all the way on the right, the lock. I'm going to hold that one, and the windows will roll back up in case you changed your mind. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool.